Imagine walking into a restaurant and feeling completely at ease. You aren't worried about the menu or what the waiter will ask because you already have the perfect words ready. This is the goal of today's lesson. Whether you are traveling or living in an English-speaking country, the restaurant is one of the most common places to practice your skills. We are going to walk through every step of the process, from the moment you step through the door until you walk back out. We will cover the specific phrases that make you sound polite, clear, and confident so you can focus on enjoying your meal instead of worrying about your grammar. Let's start with the arrival. When you first enter, you will likely be met by a host or hostess. If you have planned ahead, you can simply say that you have a reservation for a certain time under your name. If you haven't made a plan, don't worry. You can ask if they have a table available for the number of people in your group. The host might ask if you would prefer to sit inside or outside, or perhaps at a booth or a table. Knowing these small vocabulary differences helps the interaction flow much faster. Once you are seated, the first person you'll interact with is usually your server, who will start by asking if they can get you something to drink while you look over the menu. As you look at the menu, it is helpful to understand how it is structured. You will see sections for appetizers or starters, which are small dishes eaten before the main meal. Then you have the main courses or entrees, followed by sides, and finally desserts. If you see something you don't recognize, this is the perfect time to ask your server for a recommendation or a description of the dish. When you are ready to order, a great way to start is by saying, "I'll have the," or "Could I please get the?" This is more natural and polite than simply naming the food. If you have a specific dietary need, like an allergy, make sure to mention it clearly by saying, "I am allergic to," or "Does this dish contain?" While you are eating, the server will often come back to check on you. They might ask, "How is everything tasting?" or "Can I get you anything else?" This is your chance to ask for small extras, like more napkins, another drink, or perhaps some salt and pepper. If there happens to be a mistake with your order, remember to stay calm and polite. You can say, "Excuse me, I think I ordered the chicken, but I received the beef." Most restaurants are very happy to fix these things quickly. Being able to handle these small problems in English is a huge step toward becoming a fluent speaker. Finally, when you have finished your meal, it is time to handle the bill or the check. Depending on where you are, you might ask for the check or the bill. If you are with friends and want to pay separately, you can ask, "Can we split the bill?" This is a very common request in many places. You should also be prepared to ask about the payment method, such as whether they accept certain credit cards. Once the payment is finished, a simple "Thank you, have a nice day" to the staff goes a long way. By following these steps, you've turned a potentially stressful situation into a successful English practice session. I hope these phrases help you feel ready for your next dining experience. Does one part of the restaurant experience feel more difficult than the others? Please let me know in the comments so I can help you even more.